Hi there, welcome to our science class. By the way, I am Sir Lloyd from the Schools Division of Himamaylan City. In this video, allow me to present to you an introductory lesson about minerals and rocks. But before that, here are the things that I'm expecting you to learn. Together, let us read aloud. First, I can identify what a mineral is. Second, I can describe the properties of a mineral for a common sample or material. More importantly, here is our question of the day. What makes a mineral? Are all minerals considered as rocks, or are all rocks considered as minerals? What exactly is a mineral? What do you think? To answer these questions, let us perform our first simple activity called the picture play. I know you are very familiar with this one because you have already been playing with this in other classes. Other teachers may call this as a picture analysis. So thus, the direction is very simple. You may tell whether the object is a mineral or not by showing a happy face, just like this one, if you think it is a mineral, or a sad face if it is not a mineral. Again, a happy face if it is a mineral, or a sad face if it is not a mineral. Are you ready? Now let's play. For our first object, here is the picture. Do you consider water a mineral? Let us check. Well then, water is not a mineral. How about this? Tube ice. Have you seen a tube ice? You can actually get it from your refrigerator. Is tube ice a mineral or not? Let's check. Well, a tube ice is not a mineral. Next. How about a snowflake? Is snowflake a mineral or not? Let's check. Well, snowflake is not a mineral. How about a halite, or commonly called as a table salt? You can actually see this from your kitchen. When you cook a food, is halite a mineral or not? Okay, let's check. Well, a halite is a mineral. But why? Have you noticed that why is it water, tube ice, snowflake are not minerals? And why is it that halite is considered as a mineral? What is really meant by a mineral? By definition, a mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic solid with an orderly crystalline structure and a definite chemical composition. What is meant by these highlighted words? First, when we say naturally occurring, a mineral is not man-made. It is not machine-generated. In your social science classes, we call these minerals as mineral resources since they are natural resources. Second, when you say inorganic solid, a mineral is not a byproduct of living things. Next, how about with crystalline structure? Of course, by the word itself, a mineral is formed with crystals and shapes. Now it is said that a mineral or minerals are the basic building blocks of rocks. To know more about minerals, let us perform the next activity. Find my march. In this activity, you will describe the properties of the mineral halite as our sample mineral by filling out and completing the missing blanks on the table using the words from the bank. So I will be giving you a list of words through our word bank. Then you may use these words as your answers and put it inside the table. So here is our table. This is an incomplete because there are 4 items for you to answer. From our word bank, here are the list of words. White, non-metallic, perfect cube, and cube. You may simply match it to the categories or the properties of the halite mineral. For this one, I'll be giving you 10 to 15 seconds to answer. Are you ready? Now go. Alright, I guess you have tried answering them or you have now the answers. Now I want you to compare your answers with this one. Here is the table of information for the mineral halite. So halite, or known as a table salt, has a chemical composition of sodium chloride or with a chemical name of NaCl. In terms of luster, halite is described as non-metallic or glassy. In terms of hardness, it is soft. In terms of color, as you can see from the picture or on the picture, it is white. In terms of streak, it is white. When you say streak, it is the powder produced after scratching a certain mineral with a harder object. In terms of its crystalline structure, a mineral halite is cubic, perfect cubic. In terms of its specific gravity, it is light. Here are the other properties of the halite mineral. In terms of taste, it is salty, and in terms of solubility, it is very soluble with water. Now you want to ask what are the specific properties of a certain mineral. Don't worry, we will try to talk about and dig deeper on our next lesson about physical and chemical properties of mineral. This time, I want you to go back to our question, what makes a mineral mineral? Now, to sum it up, I want you to write down your answers using this egg mapping. So I personally designed this concept map for our science lesson today. So here is our direction. Using the egg organizer, describe what a mineral is based on our discussions. So as you can see, there are broken parts, just like an egg. It is cracked shells or cracked parts. I want you to put or write down your answers, your ideas about what a mineral is inside those broken parts. For this one, I'll be giving you 15 to 20 seconds. Is that alright? Are you ready? You may now start. Alright, I guess you are then answering or you have tried answering this part. Now let's check yourself by doing this. Rate yourself by choosing either yes or no as your response. You may mark check or simply silently answer this. Mark check on the box before each response. For example, is it yes or no? I can identify what a mineral is. I can describe the properties of minerals through a common sample material. Is it yes or no? Okay, go. Significantly, for all the media that I have used, you can visit the following references. And to end this lesson, I want to congratulate all of you for listening actively in our discussions. Allow me to leave you with this line. Teaching is both a profession and a lifetime vocation. In this time of crisis, we must challenge and engage ourselves with the different learning modes to make ourselves productive. Again, this is Sir Mark saying thank you to all of you. God bless and hope to see you again.